I'm going to teach you how to shoot the basketball better so you aren't nervous in games. Hi, my name is Paul Zewong. Currently play basketball overseas at the university level, and I started playing when I was 17 years old. Right now I shoot around 38%, so pretty good, but it could be a lot better. The first thing I'm going to say is be able to change speeds whenever you dribble and go for your mid-ranges. I mean, if you're only going at one speed, you're basically not going anywhere because everybody can just know where you're going with your pace. The other thing too, be able to practice your footwork with the speed stop with the 1-2. Basically, if you dribble left and you're right-handed, be able to shoot right, left, jump shot. If you're dribbling with your right, go up with your left, right jump shot. This is for mid-ranges, this is for threes, etc. You can also throw in a hop there, but I like personally just doing the 1-2 step. It's a lot more fluid and you're able to get it off easier, especially as a smaller guard. The other thing for the catch and shoot, be able to step into your three-point shot, or you just catch it off 2 feet and then do a nice little step in, just so you're in rhythm when shooting and you use the energy and your momentum to go up. The other thing, be able to practice rhythmic shooting with footwork, whether it's off the dribble or off the catch. Be able to practice both sides and be creative. Today, me and my guy Sean, we threw in some hezzies and then we did off a counter with just selling the drive and then pulling back for a mid-range. As you'll see here, we're going here, bam, you already know what it is. Another tip from the mental aspect is act like every shot is going in, never lose confidence. Be able to shoot within the flow of an offense, don't force anything up, but never lose confidence, as I said, because you can miss your first 5 shots and the next 5 are in. If you shoot 50% behind the arc or just in general, I think that's pretty good. Another thing too, underrated, but be comfortable shooting on double rims. Shout out for my pops out here giving me some shots up and being my rebounder. But the big difference between basketball rims overseas and in America, whether it's university or pro, I play university only, but rims are not going to be the best condition as you're used to, especially in the States. I've had some games out here in the UK where the courts literally have double rims, and that was a big adjustment. I shot terrible during those games, but you know what it is, we never lost confidence. The other thing too, I've also had some friends hooping in Mexico at the professional level where the games were literally outside, and even if they had like some type of dome roofing, the courts were literally concrete. So expect the unexpected, have fun within the journey, and I hope these tips with shooting helped you a lot in what to expect during the game and how to improve your game to be the best version of yourself. Much love.